everyone and welcome back. So for today's episode I have an amazing futuristic design from Monkey's Dream Developer that is available on Google Play Store under the name of Dream 117. Also I'll be giving away this watch face, so make sure you drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section, as lucky random users will be selected in a day or two. So good luck everyone, and if you're not able to win this watch face, just buy it and support the developer's amazing work. Okay, now talking about the design, it has kinda unique color combination that is present by default when you first install this face. As you can see that we have 3 sub-dials in the background, like one shows our battery percentage, the other one shows step counter, and the last one shows heart rate monitor. This section of the watch face shows day, date, and you can change the complication which shows sunrise and sunset. Further talking about color customization, just long press on it and tap on customize. First of all, you can change different themes with this watch face. We have many bright gradient backgrounds that you can change like this. And next you can change complication and shortcut settings. Yes, this watch face has specific app shortcuts that can be used to open any app just by tapping here. So try it out. This is a really nice face from the developer. And now let's see its always on display mode. Always on display mode with this face has this black and white combination to conserve battery life. Rest overall the face is dimmed down, and if I double tap on it, all the colors will be back. So that was all about for today's episode, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.